Today, we will be exploring how to create paired passages and assign questions to those paired passages. We will start at the front page of Edugence, where we will click on the apps in the top right and choose assessments. Then go to the question bank tab on the left-hand sidebar. From here, we will choose the purple New Passage button. This will bring us to the Create Passage page. Here, we will check the Paired Passage box and click the blue Paired Passage link at the bottom. A pop-up should appear where you can input parameters like grade level, course, language, etc. to search for your passages. When you find your passages, choose Select and then Update in the bottom right. After you've chosen your passages, input the name of the paired passage and the directions. For directions, I will say read both passages and answer the questions accordingly. For the name, it will default to the names of the passages with commas in between, but you can change it to what you want. Then click Preview to see what the students will view and click Save. Now that we've created our paired passage, we will add questions. Click Add New Questions and it will bring us to the Create Question page. As you can see in this page, the paired passage will already be linked, so we just have to generate the question. After creating our question, click Save. If we want to keep adding questions, click the Save and New Question button in the top. This will open up a new Create Question page to add more questions for this paired passage. Now that we've gone through creating a paired passage and adding questions to it, let's check out the other option to add questions to our paired passage. On the assessment page, we will choose the question bank on the left-hand sidebar and then New Question to get to the Create Question page. On this page, we will manually select the blue link passage icon on the right, check the paired box, search for your passage, and click Select. Once we've linked that passage, you are free to create a question and save it. This will add the question to the paired passage. Now when we search for paired passages and preview it, it will say how many questions are added to that passage. Also, when we add one of those questions to an assessment, the following pop-up will appear saying, "This question is associated with the passage. Would you like to view and add other questions related to that passage?" After choosing yes, it will bring up other questions linked to this passage where you can select them. Lastly, if you want to add paired passages to questions that have already been created, simply search for the question, click Edit, then select the blue passage icon. This should open up a pop-up where you can check the paired passage box and click Search. Then simply choose the passage you want and then click Update in the bottom left. Don't forget to click Save. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on creating paired passages and linking questions. Thanks and happy teaching.